morning, Year 1, and welcome to Maths. For today's Maths lesson, I would like you to have your number line, please. So you can run and get that now. Right, now today we are looking at counting one more and one less. One more and one less. Now, before we do that, let's warm up our brains. So, what number comes next? 16, 17, 18... 16, 17, 18. Let's check our number line. 16, 17, 18, 19. Well done. 19. Now, 13. Something tens and something ones. 13. So 13. Oh, how do I make 13? 13. So 10, 11, 12, 13. So I did 1 10. Yep, and then 11, 12, 13. How many single one fingers have I got? 3, well done. So 13 is 1 10 and 3 ones. Great work. Question 3. What number comes next? 12, 11, 10. 12, 11, 10. So when I'm counting this, what way am I going? 12, 11, 10. I'm going backwards, aren't I? I'm heading back to 0. So 12, 11, 10, 9. Fantastic, so I'm going down. And what number is missing? So we've got our number track here, and we've got something missing from it. Let's count. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. What number do you think comes here? Let's count again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Did you get that right? 18, 19, 20. Great work. Now, we are first of all going to start looking at one more. Oh, we've got some jelly babies here. I like jelly babies. So, Annie counted 10 gummies in her bag. So she's got 10 here. Let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. She found one more in her bag. How many gummies were in her bag? So she had 10, and then when she went to put the bag down, she found one more inside. What is the number she's got now? So she had 10, and then she found one more. 10. So if she's doing one more, I've got more, so my number's getting bigger. Let's have a look at my number line. So here I've got my number line. Now I'm going to find 10. 10 is here, and then she's got one more, so I'm going up. So how many has she got now? 10, 11, fantastic. So there's our one more. Let's count to make sure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Well done. So one more than 10 is 11. Great work. Remember, when it goes more, we're going up the number line. So we're getting more things. Well done. Let's look at one less then. So if more is going up, less must mean that we're going down. So we're heading back towards 0. So we're getting less. So here, we've got lots of birds in the tree. Shall we count to see how many we've got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we've got 15 birds. Rosie counted 15 birds this morning. An hour later, she counted one less. How many birds are there now? So we have 15, and then Rosie went away and she came back, and an hour later, there was one less. So let's take one away. So this bird's gone. So there was 14, and there's one less now. One's flown away. So how many have we got now? What can we use to help us count that? Yeah, let's use our number line. So my number line's here. So I had 15, so let's find 15, 1 and a 5 here, 15, and then 1 flew away, so I count back 1. What's before 15? 14, fantastic. So 1 less than 15 is 14, because it's just one number back. Great work. Now, this says 2 ways to describe a number. Let's see what that means. So here I've got a number track. Here here I've got the number 17. Now what do we know about the number 17? It's got a 10 and 7 ones in it. 17. Yep, what else? Oh, 17 is one more than. So what's 17 one more than? So in order for it to be one more than, I'm going up. So it's one more than 16. Well done. Because if we were on 16 and we wanted one more, we'd go up to 17. Well done. Now 17 is one less than. So what's 17 one less than? What number do you think? It's one less than 18. Well done. 17 is one less than 18. Because if I had 18 and then I had one less, I would get 17. So that is two different ways to describe a number. 17 is more than 16, but it's also less than 18. Good work. Let's try it with a different number. So, we've got the number 12. So 12. 12 is one more than. What's 12 one more than? Let's see. 12 is one more than 11. 12 is one more than 11. What is our next one? So 12 is one less than. So here's 12. It's one less than 13. Fantastic. So 12 is one more than 11, but it's also one less than 13. Good work. Oh, now here we've got a lot of ice cream sundaes. So here we've got 13 sundaes. Let's count just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Great, we've got 13 sundaes. Now up here it says, everyone grab a sundae and a spoon. Ooh, we're going to get to eat them. We have one less spoon. Oh no. So how many spoons have we got? Because how many spoons are there? So we've got 13 sundaes, but we've got one less spoon than we need. So what's one less than 13? Let's get my number line. So we have 13 sundaes. What's one less than 13? What's just before 13? 12. Great work. So one less than 13 is 12. Fantastic. Next question. Now, it says 16 is one more than what? 16 is one more than. Let's have a look again at my number line. 16. What's 16 is one more than 15. Well done. So we've got 16, 15, 16 is one more. Well done. 19 is one less than. So I have the number 19. What's 19 less than? 19 is less than. Oh, so I've got this number line again. So I've got 19 here. What's 19 less than? It's less than 30. It's also less than 25 and 24, 23. But it's asked for one less. So 19 is one less than 20. Well done. Now, 14 is one less than. So we've got 14. 14 is one less than 15. Great work. 11 is one more than. So we've got 11. What's 11 one more than? Or what way do I go? If I'm going more, my number's getting bigger. Well done. So if I want to see what I'm more than, I need to look backwards. A bit complicated. So I've got the number 11. So 11 is more than 10. Fantastic work. And 1 10 and 3 ones is one more than. 1 10 and 3 ones. 1 10, 10 and 3 ones. So 3 ones. 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. So that's 1 10 and 3 ones. 1 10 and 3 ones is more than. 1 10 and 3 ones is more than 1 10 and 2 ones, because it would be one more. So what's 1 10 and 2 ones? 10, 11, 12. Fantastic work, Year 1. Now, oh, we've got a big question here. I am 1 less than 18. I'm also 1 more than 16. What number am I? So, I'm 1 less than 18. What's 1 less than 18? Let's have a look on my number line. So, let's find 18. Let's go 1 less than 18. 17. Great. And it says I'm 1 more than 16. Is 17 1 more than 16? Yeah, so if I'm on 16 and I jump up 1, I go to 17. So let's check the answer. We thought it was 17. Are we right? 17, fantastic, because 17 is 1 less than 18, because 18 will go this side. And it is also 1 more than 16. 16 will go this side. 16, 17, 18. Great work, Year 1. Let's look at today's worksheet. Today's worksheet, so let's have a look up here. It says, there are 13 children sitting down. 1 more child sits down. How many children are sitting down now? So there was 13, and now 1 more has come along. So what's 13 and then 1 more? 13, 14, fantastic. So there must now be 14 children sitting down. Great, so I'm just going to write 14 here. There are 15 cars in a car park. 15 cars. 1 car leaves. How many cars are in the car park now? So there was 15 cars in the car park and 1 has left. How many cars are there now? There was 15, so 15 take away 1. 15, 14 again. Ah, we've got 14 twice. What is the same about our answer? So both of these answers were 14. But up here, we had 1 more. So we had 13, and then we went on 1 more. Whereas this one was 15, and we counted back 1 less. So 14 is 1 more than 13, but it's also 1 less than 15. That's very clever, 14. Let's look up here. So, colour these numbers on the track. Now we've got 1 less than 19. So what's the colour, make us colour 1 less than 19? So 19 is here. We need to colour 1 less. So less is going down. Just 1 less. So let's do 1 jump. Fantastic. So we colour 18. That is 1 less. Next one. 1 more than 14. So let's find number 14 here. And we're looking for 1 more. So if I get more, my number gets bigger. So 1 more than 14 is 15. Fantastic. So I'm doing 1 jump up, my number's getting bigger. So then you can colour in 15. And our last one says 1 more than 11. So let's find 11. What does 11 look like? It's a 10 and a 1. So 10, 11. 1 more than 11. Remember, my number is getting bigger. So I'm going up the number line. So 11, 1 jump up, 12. Fantastic. So we've got to colour in 12, 15 and 18. Great work. Let's look at our last question for today. Eva has 12 strawberries. Let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. She's got 12. Her sister gives her 1 more strawberry. How many strawberries does Eva have now? So she had 12 and her sister has given her 1 more. 12 strawberries, 1 more. So if I have 12 and I got 1 more, I've now got, let's use this, so 12 and I've got along 1 more. Ah, I must have 13. Let's draw 13 here. Let's draw a strawberry here and let's count to make sure that we're right. So here's my strawberry. Now, so these are the 12 she had. This is why my 1 more. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You were right, our answer is 13. Fantastic work, year one. That's all of your homework learning done for today. Have a nice day, and I'll see you tomorrow.